This is how we'll do a two-sample paired t-test. Here's some data from the problem. You're comparing old versus new, looking at scores. And so the paired t-test is going to individually find the differences between the old and the new versus comparing the entire groups, the mean of the entire group. What it does is it finds the differences between old and new and then looks at the average of the differences. And so to do that with technology, we would use ArtistStat. You would go to comparing two means, confidence intervals and tests. You'd compare two means. This is done for independent and dependent. So a paired test is for a dependent situation. So you would end up here. Notice you have the two dependent samples, and then you have to put the data in. Go to your own, in this case, the variable scores, old and new, and then you put the data in. And now it takes a little bit of time. You have to hand enter that data. And so this is what it would look like from the old new. That's the problem there. And then you would make sure you click significant test versus confidence interval. You can run it, but right now we're looking at a significant test. And so then you're looking to see, again, if the difference is equal to 0 or not. And we'll zoom in a little bit. And the important numbers are here. The mean difference, mu of d, the difference. And the null hypothesis is that the difference between those is 0 and not equal to 0, and then you'd get your results here. Of course, you can see it in the distribution, the test statistic where it falls, and you will see you get 0.922, which is our test statistic. And since it's a two-tailed test, that's why you have this representation. But that's what you would do to run a paired t-test.